Most people think of optics as round and concave, with a simple symmetric shape. But in today's advanced designs, lens geometries have become extremely complex. These complex geometries can improve performance, reduce the size, or lower the cost of components they are used in. Welcome to the world of freeform optics. It's made possible by an amazing technology called diamond turning. Diamond turning is an advanced machining technique that uses a single crystal of diamond to cut the workpiece. The diamond tool is controlled by a computer to produce a complex optical surface. The hardness of diamond allows ultra-precise machining of a wide range of materials, including metals, crystals, and plastics. It can also produce complex mirror surfaces in metals, such as copper, aluminum, and brass. It can even produce optics from exotic materials such as titanium and niobium. Our engineers and technicians have been perfecting the art of diamond turning for over 30 years. Today, we are among the largest and most advanced manufacturers of freeform optics in the world. One of the key reasons for our success is our expertise at ensuring the precision and quality of our products. We do this through advanced metrology tools that include interferometry, profilometry, and coordinate measuring machines. Diamond turning is capable of very high resolution, down to the nanoscale. With this capability, design options are limitless, which is why designs can truly be freeform. This design freedom translates into substantial benefits, such as laser tools that offer superior process control in manufacturing. Diamond turning is so precise that it can produce tiny lenses as small as 500 microns in diameter. Such small lenses are ideal for miniature infrared cameras for advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Our deep expertise in diamond turning provides our customers a nearly limitless range of system design options. We produce freeform optics to your requirements consistently and reliably in a broad range of materials, finishing, and optical coating options. Let's work together on your next design.